Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is another one of my longer videos for the guys that like to see parts of the country they don't normally get to see. So today you join me on a trip back to the yard. Actually, I've delivered up north, Blackburn, Manchester, somewhere like that. And I'm now heading back, and I thought for a change, instead of trundling down the M6 toll, I'll come back across the M62. So I've joined the M62 about 7 miles away from Rochdale, and I am heading eastbound. So I'm just going to take a little trip across here and film it right the way across to the A1, going past the very, very famous house in the middle. Now I learned about this actually. There was a program I watched somewhere along the line that when they built the M62, the guy that owned the farmhouse was just adamant, I ain't selling up. A fair play to him. You know, he was like, no, I'm not having it. You can build it around me. So they did. They built the M62 around his house. And the documentary I saw, they were showing inside the farmhouse. And apparently it's actually really quiet. It's well insulated. You don't realise that, you know, that there's when you're inside it, that there's a motorway, a busy motorway, running either side of you. And we're also going to go over the height. It's also, yeah, we're going to go over the point where it's Britain's highest motorway. I forget the height now. You might catch it on the video. It does tell you on one of the signs, but I forget what it is. But yeah, it goes over there. It's the highest motorway in Britain. So yeah, it's a very scenic route. I do like it. It's often very busy, but it is a very, very scenic route across country. And it does make a change for me, especially rather than trundling up and down the M6. So, yeah, I'm going to leave you with some music at some point, because obviously I ain't going to waffle on. The video's 17 minutes long. You don't want me waffling for that long. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. I do get a lot of people say they do like my longer videos, and they like to see, you know, say, parts of the country that they wouldn't normally get to see. So you're watching this. We're traversing the M62 eastbound from the sort of Greater Manchester area across towards the A1. We don't go obviously all the way across because the M62 does run right the way through to Hull. We're going to come off before that at Ferrybridge Services area at Darrington, and then we drop down the A1 back towards sort of Cambridgeshire. But I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if what you think of it. It'd be great to know. In the meantime, yeah, we'll chuck some music on, but enjoy the scenery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow, whatever it is you do. I do appreciate it, and all you say, I read all your comments and I do try and respond to them. So, yeah, I really appreciate the support. Cheers, guys. Crack on.